everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Priya Sharma, and if you're new to my channel, I would be really happy if you would subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make you learn how to get this beautiful Bengali makeup look as Durga Puja is around the corner. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video. Hello everyone, let's start with the toner. Here we are using Alps Goodness Cucumber Toner and taking a good shower of it, and we'll let it absorb in the skin by itself. Now for hydrating my skin, I'm using Sugar Aquaholic Hydrating Stick. It aids in relieving puffiness around the eyes and gives a cooling sensation. After it, I am using Pond's Lightweight Moisturizer. Its non-greasy formula spreads easily and absorbs quickly into the skin and makes your skin smooth and soft. Then for brows, I'm using Brow Artist Kit from L'Oreal and defining my brows from it. This time I'm making them bold for this Bengali look. Then for hiding dark circles around my eyes and any pigmentation on my face, I am applying LA Girl Pro Concealer. It is a very nice concealer and just hides all the dark circles and pigmentation instantly like a magic. It has a very lightweight texture despite being creamy, and the best part is that it is really easy to apply it and it blends smoothly. And once applied, it doesn't make your face look heavy at all. Then for primer, I am using L'Oreal Base Magic Primer. It has a velvety smooth texture and gives super smooth base for application of foundation, and also minimizes the open pores very well. Now using my new favorite foundation nowadays, which is Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I recently got my hands on this one and I love using it since then. It is the best foundation I have used till now. It is lightweight and provides full coverage with just one layer all day long. And the best part is that it is paraben free. It does not make you look cakey at all. Blending this foundation is really easy and it gets blended easily. I totally recommend this foundation to everyone. Just try it once and you will also love it. Now for highlighting my under eyes, nose and chin, I'm using this L'Oreal True Match and blend it nicely into my skin. And now I'm just baking my face using Makeup Revolution Banana Powder. Baking gives an illusion of a flawless and poreless complexion. Now moving on to eyes. Using this You Can Be Pretty All Set kit and taking this brown shade. Firstly, I will just put the product onto the eyelid and then slowly start blending it in the upward direction. Moving the brush with the very light hand and blend it nicely and remove all the harsh lines. Now taking this brick orange kind of shade and will put it above the natural crease as a transition shade and blend it with the previous brown shade. It will help in creating a smooth transition. Now I'm taking this darker brown shade and will define my crease with this shade. After it, I'm just removing all the excess powder from the face using a fluffy brush. Now taking this brown shade again and applying it on the lower lash line to give a smoke out effect. And now taking this darker brown shade to make eyes more smoky. Now I'm taking this copper shimmer shade and will just apply on the inner eyelid using my finger only. For liner, firstly I'm just creating a basic line of eyeliner using this In Color Gel eyeliner, and will create the wing later on after applying the lashes, as it makes easy to give direction to the wing once lashes are applied. Here I am applying this falsies from PAC. I will link down all the products in the description box. Now I'm using this Faces Canada mascara and it will help in mixing my original and the false lashes. Also, it is a nice mascara as it makes the lashes very voluminous. This is one of my favorite mascara. And now for giving some definition and warmth to the face, I'm bronzing up my face. Bronzer is a great way to make your skin look radiant and healthy. You can see how instantly my face got some definition after bronzing it up. And here I am giving some shape to my nose also. Now I am using this peach orangey shade blush and apply it with a very light hand for a natural and healthy finish. And now moving on to the best part, highlighting. Using this Maybelline Master Holographic Highlighter and will just apply it on the higher points of my face like cheekbones, eye bone, nose bridge and cupid bows. I forgot to create the wing, so now creating it using the same in color gel eyeliner. As I told you earlier that it becomes really easy to give direction to the wing after the lashes are applied. So I prefer creating the wing after applying the falsies. Now I am just lining my lips and filling them with the in color red lip liner. You can use any lip liner you want. Filling the lips with lip liner first helps in staying the lipstick for a longer period. Now moving on to the last part of the look, that is lipstick. Here I am using Color Essence Liquid Red Lipstick and will apply it above the lip liner. It gives matte finish and its staying power is decent, and also it is highly pigmented. With this, we are done with the Bengali makeup look. I hope you like this look, and if you did, then please give a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon for more upcoming video updates. Till then, thank you, bye bye, take care.